Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert-level insights into beauty products that truly make a difference. Today, we're shining a light on a product that's perfect for those with blonde or silver hair. If you've been struggling to keep your hair bright, shiny, and free from brassiness, the ORIBE Brightest Blonde Travel Bundle might just be the solution you've been looking for. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review. The ORIBE Brightest Blonde Travel Bundle is designed specifically to restore the vibrant shine and brightness to blonde and silver hair. This duo consists of two products, a shampoo and a conditioner that work together to keep blonde and silver hair looking fresh and radiant. The shampoo gently cleanses while the conditioner nourishes and maintains that signature blonde brilliance. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. The shampoo is infused with a blend of antioxidants that protect your hair from environmental damage while brightening the blonde tones. The conditioner works to enhance shine and hydrate, leaving hair smooth and full of life. Both products are sulfate-free, which means they're gentle on the hair and won't strip away color. I've been using these products for a few weeks now, and I have to say, they deliver on their promises. The shampoo lathers beautifully, and a little goes a long way. It's not too harsh, but it cleanses my hair thoroughly without feeling drying. The conditioner, though, is the real hero here. It leaves my hair feeling luxuriously soft without weighing it down, and my blonde hair looks noticeably brighter. I noticed a reduction in brassiness after just a couple of washes, and it feels nourished from root to tip. Both products are perfect for travel too, as the compact sizes make it easy to take them wherever I go. Pros: the shampoo and conditioner do exactly what they claim, restore brightness and vibrancy to blonde and silver hair. The fragrance is subtle but fresh, and it doesn't overpower. My hair feels light, soft, and refreshed. I also love that the products are sulfate-free, which means they're gentle enough for color-treated hair. On the flip side, the price tag might be a little steep for some, especially when you're considering it as a regular-use shampoo and conditioner. That said, the results are definitely noticeable, and for those with blonde or silver hair, it may be worth the investment. As for value, it's important to consider the quality of the ingredients here. ORIBE is known for using high-end formulations, and that shows in the effectiveness of these products. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, it's hard to argue against the results, and you're paying for top-tier hair care. When compared to other high-end blonde care brands, ORIBE holds its own. I've used other products in the same category that claim to brighten blonde hair, but the ORIBE Brightest Blonde Bundle stands out because it actually works, quickly and without stripping the hair. Other brands might leave your hair feeling a bit weighed down or greasy, but this set does not. The build quality of the bottles is solid, and I haven't experienced any issues with leaking or difficulty in using the product. The packaging is sleek, as expected from a luxury brand, and looks great on any bathroom shelf. Midway through this review, is this information helping you decide if the ORIBE Brightest Blonde Travel Bundle is right for you? If so, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support keeps us bringing you honest, in-depth product insights, and if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the description below. Customer support with ORIBE is top-notch. They're responsive and always available if you have any questions about their products. I've found them to be very helpful, and I've heard great things about their customer service across the board. Now, if this product feels a bit out of your budget, there are definitely alternatives out there that can still give you a great result. Some drugstore options provide a more affordable solution for blondes. However, if you're someone who loves the luxury feel and is willing to invest in high-quality products, then this set is a great choice. To wrap it up, the ORIBE Brightest Blonde Travel Bundle is a solid investment for anyone with blonde or silver hair. It brightens, hydrates, and helps to maintain that gorgeous blonde shine, all while being gentle and nourishing. While it is on the pricier side, the performance and quality are definitely worth the splurge for those who prioritize their hair care routine. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase the product in the description below. If you've used ORIBE products before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.